So my dear students, let's begin with the next lesson of our syllabus. The lesson is really very interesting and you're going to love it. Let's learn the worth of fabric. What is the worth of fabric? Means the importance of a fabric. So let's begin. The worth of fabric. Thiruvalluvar was a great Tamil saint poet who lived more than 2000 years ago. Tirukkural is the book of his teaching. It is greatly loved and respected even today. By profession, Thiruvalluvar was a textile weaver. He wove beautiful fabrics and saris and sold them in market. People said that he never got angry, never used bad words, never shouted at anyone. In same town, there lived a rich young man. He wasted most of his time roaming around with his friends. He was not doing any work. They often made fun of other people. Always they used to make fun of other people. They used to tease them. So some of the good qualities of Thiruvalluvar was he never got angry, never used bad words, never shouted at anyone. I don't believe what people say about this Valluvar. So this rich man is talking about Thiruvalluvar and he's saying to his friends that I don't believe what people talk about Valluvar, said the young man one day. I am sure I can make him angry. Come on, let's have some fun today. So the arrogant means the person who has pride in among himself. He thinks that he is the best. So the arrogant young man went towards Thiruvalluvar in the market and picked up a beautiful piece of fabric. How much does this fabric cost? He asked. 8 coins. The saint named the price. So Thiruvalluvar said that the cost of fabric was 8 coins. The young man unfolded the fabric and tore it into 2 pieces. What's the price of this now? So now what Thiruvalluvar did is, he replied very politely, again, 4 coins. The youth was taken back. Why doesn't this man get angry, he thought. He then tore the half pieces into half again. And now 2 coins was the answer. Now it was the young man who became impatient and agitated. Impatient means he was irritated, he was frustrated, and he was like, why is this man not getting angry? He tore the pieces into half again and again, saying, and now, what's the price now? Like this, he kept on asking Thiruvalluvar again and again. But Thiruvalluvar did not lose his patience. Thiruvalluvar calmly went on reducing the price from half to half every time. At last, the fabric was reduced to rags. So, Thiruvalluvar said in a quiet tone, rag means the cloths which are of no use, pieces, small pieces, bits of pieces. Thiruvalluvar said in a quiet tone, now this fabric has become worthless. I will not name any price for this rags. The young man did not know what to say, but he was proud of his rich. So he offered to pay 8 coins to the saint. For the first time, Thiruvalluvar smiled, but he refused to take the money. Young man, now this fabric is of no use. It has become worthless. Why? Because no one will be able to wear it now. Sir, Thiruvalluvar said to the young man, do you know the fabric was not made in a day. Many people have toiled to make it. Toiled means they have worked really hard to make it. The farmers who grew cotton in his field worked hard for months through the suns and the rain. He picked the cotton from each ball and gave it for the spinning process. When someone else carded the cotton and spun it into a long uniform threads. The threads were dyed carefully so that they took on these lovely colors. My wife and I wove the threads together, putting in beautiful designs. We thought someday someone will like this fabric, will be happy to wear it. Then all our work would have been rewarded. When you destroyed the fabric, you destroyed all the love and the labor that went into this making of this beautiful cloth. Money cannot bring it back. The softly spoken words touched the young man's heart. Now he was really ashamed of himself. He was feeling very bad. He regretted about what he did. And do you know, Thiruvalluvar went on to say, I can view another fabric like this, but our life is also like this fabric. If you tear it apart with this hasty, thoughtless actions, hasty means bad, without thinking means thoughtless actions, it will be destroyed. So you will not get it back again. Thiruvalluvar's word opened the young man's eyes. There and then he decided to give up all the idleness and bad habit and work really hard and achieve the goals in his life. And he also decided that he will never make fun of anyone. So the lesson is over and we learn a lot of things, and the most important thing that we learn from the lesson is that we should never be impatient, we should never tease anyone, we should never make fun of anyone, and always try to understand the worth of our life. The worth of fabric lesson actually teaches us the worth of our life. So let's begin with the meanings. Weaver is a person whose job is to weave the clothes. Arrogant is the person who is proud and unpleasant. Agitated means anxious and upset. Rags, cloth that is torn into pieces. Toiled means worked really hard. Wool is a pod of cotton plant which contains seeds. Spinning is a process making yarns and threads out of cotton wool. Carded means cleaned and combed cotton to remove the seeds. Spun means drew out and twisted the cotton to make yarn or thread. Touched, felt emotional about something. Idleness is laziness. After the meanings, you will find that there are the pictures of question answers. Write down those question answers in your notebook. I hope you have loved the chapter, you have understood the lesson, you have understood the worth of fabric. What is the worth of fabric? The worth of fabric is not what it looks like. It is a lot of hard work and the love which has gone into the fabric's making. That is actually the cost of fabric. And your life is in the same way. You should not keep on sitting and talking about all the gossips and here and there. You should talk and you should think about your life, how you can make it more worthy and meaningful. So work hard and achieve success in your life. Stay smiling and write down all the question answer in your notebook. Thank you.